Mountain pose. Stand tall, feet grounded, shoulders relaxed. Warrior Eye. Step one foot forward. Bend the front knee. Lift your arms overhead. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly, feeling strength and grounding. Warrior Eye. Bend the front knee. Extend your arms wide. Gaze forward. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly, feeling steady and strong. Tree pose. Stand on one leg, arms up or at heart center. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly, feel balance. Chair pose. Bend your knees, reach arms up. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly, feel strength. Triangle pose. Extend legs, reach one arm down, the other up. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feel stretch and balance. Plank pose. Hands under shoulders, body in a straight line. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feel core strength. Bridge pose. Lie on your back, bend knees, lift hips. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feel spine and chest opening. Seated forward bend. Sit, legs extended. Fold forward gently. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feel spine and hamstrings stretch. Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach, hands under shoulders. Lift chest gently. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feel spine awakening.